Now, let's take a look at the Master Setup menu, where you'll find all the core settings to customize your time tag experience. Under this section, you'll see several key options to help you tailor the system to fit your organization's needs. First up, we have global settings where you can adjust general configurations for your entire setup. First, you can set your company name and upload your company logo to personalize your dashboard and reports. Then you can configure the minimum punch difference, which helps define how much time must pass between punches, perfect for avoiding duplicate entries. You also have control over the date format, ensuring it matches your company's preference, and the master time zone, so your system always runs on the correct time. Next, you can set your preferred currency, and if you have a lot of data to process, you can enable process data in background, letting time tag handle it efficiently without slowing down your work. Moving on to the advanced options, these really help automate things and make your life easier. For example, you can enable Auto Add New User in Biometric, which automatically adds new employees to your biometric system. And there's an option to auto-delete user in Biometric when an employee is deleted or resigned, keeping everything up to date automatically. Then there's API settings, perfect for integrating time tag with other systems seamlessly. It allows users to manage their API key settings, including generating or updating the API key and enabling or disabling the API key status. Moving on to attendance rule. This is where you can define how attendance is tracked and monitored. This feature serves as the cornerstone of the application, as the generation of reports heavily depends on these settings exclusively. You can create multiple attendance rules to fit different groups of employees, and then simply assign the right rule to the people it applies to. This way, each group follows the attendance policy that works best for them. It's flexible and makes managing different teams a lot easier. The branch feature lets you assign employees to specific branches within the system, making it easy to organize your workforce. You can even give admins permission to view and manage employees for just a particular branch. When you're managing branches, you'll see important details like the branch name, branch code address, and how many employees are assigned to that branch. From there, you can take actions like editing or managing each branch. This setup helps keep everything neatly organized and easy to manage. Like branch, you can also manage your company structure with options like location, department, and section, giving you full control over your organizational hierarchy. You can also give permission to admin to view/manage employees in a particular location, department, and section as well. If you're setting up specific job titles, you'll find that in designation. And for handling different employee contracts, you'll use employment type. For organizing employees into groups, simply go to team to keep everything running smoothly. When it comes to public holidays, you can set company-wide days off and holiday, or create specific holiday groups with holiday group. All right, so that's the Master Setup menu in a nutshell. It's where you'll set up all the core elements that keep your system running smoothly, whether it's adjusting attendance rules, organizing your company structure with branches, departments, and teams, or fine-tuning settings for things like holidays and work codes. Basically, this is the place to get everything tailored to fit how your organization operates. So once it's all set up, you can manage everything effortlessly.